Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to crop Snapchat photos and videos. If you want to make your snap more attractive, it is advised to edit it on Snapchat app itself. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to the camera screen and press on the button in order to create a snap, or tap your gallery icon at the bottom as I'm doing now. Upload a picture or a video from your camera roll. Click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen and choose the Edit Photo option. After that, press on the Crop tool and edit your snap. Once you are done, hit the check mark and send your snap. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to crop Snapchat photos and videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.